Are you tired of looking at that one mysterious stain on your carpet and just accepting its existence? Well, today we're declaring war on stubborn carpet stains. I've spent weeks testing, spilling things on purpose, and getting weird looks from my family to find the absolute best steam cleaners for your carpets. We're going to count down the top 6 from pretty good to how did I ever live without this? So stick around to see which one takes the #1 spot. Number 6, BISSELL Little Green HydroSteam. This is a multi-purpose portable cleaner, and for what it is, it's a handy little machine. I mean, we've all seen the viral videos of these things sucking up spills, and it's incredibly satisfying to watch. The big selling point here is the HydroSteam technology. BISSELL claims it's the only portable deep cleaner that can do this, and it's supposed to make cleaning up tough, sticky, oily messes up to 50% faster. And you know what? For certain things, it really does make a difference. I tested it on a blob of ketchup that had been strategically placed on my car's upholstery, and the steam function definitely helped to loosen it up quicker than just hot water alone. The design is compact, which is great for storage and for carrying around the house or out to the car. It comes with a couple of tools, a 5-inch tough stain tool and a multi-surface tool for different jobs. The dual tank system is also pretty standard but effective. It keeps the clean and dirty water separate, which is, essential. Using it is straightforward. Fill it, plug it in, and you're ready to tackle spills on carpets, upholstery, stairs, and even car interiors. It does a decent job on fresh messes and general grime. But, and here's the thing, I found myself a bit underwhelmed when it came to older, more set-in stains on a high-traffic area of my carpet. Number 5, STEAMBOT Steam Cleaner. This one looks like it means business. It's a canister-style cleaner with a big water tank and a whole arsenal of attachments, 21 of them to be exact. The idea here is versatility. You're not just getting a carpet cleaner. You're getting a tool for your floors, windows, grout, bathroom tiles, you name it. And honestly, that's pretty appealing. I was excited to see how it would handle everything I threw at it. It heats up to a seriously high temperature. We're talking 293 degrees Fahrenheit, which is fantastic for sanitizing surfaces without using any harsh chemicals. When I first used it on my kitchen floor grout, I was genuinely impressed. It blasted away grime that I thought was a permanent part of the tile. It's powerful, no doubt about it. For refreshing a low-pile carpet or an area rug, it does a pretty good job. The steam helps to lift dirt and kill dust mites, and it can definitely bring a bit of life back to a tired-looking rug. It's also great for sanitizing pet beds or kids' play mats. The large tank means you can clean for a good while without needing to stop and refill, which is a major plus compared to smaller handheld units. However, when it comes to deep cleaning carpets, the STEAMBOT shows its limitations. Here's what matters. This is a steam cleaner, not a carpet extractor. It uses hot, pressurized steam to loosen dirt, but it doesn't have the suction to pull that dirt and excess water out of the carpet fibers. 4. LABIGO 10-in-1 Steam Mop. This is a different beast altogether. It's an upright steam mop that has a clever trick up its sleeve, a detachable handheld steamer. This hybrid design is what really caught my eye. You get the convenience of an upright mop for doing large floor surfaces, and then you can just pop the central unit out for detailed work on countertops, showers, or, you guessed it, carpets. It comes with a carpet glider attachment, which is essentially a frame that lets the mop head glide over carpeted surfaces without snagging. The setup is super simple, and it heats up in about 25 seconds, which is impressively fast. On my sealed hardwood floors and tile, it was a dream. It glided smoothly and left the floors sanitized and streak-free with just water. The variable steam control is a great touch, allowing you to dial down the steam for more delicate surfaces or crank it up for tough spots. When I attached the carpet glider and moved on to an area rug, I was pleased with the result for what it was. It did a great job of refreshing the carpet fibers, fluffing them up, and giving the whole rug a sanitized, fresh feel. It's perfect for a quick once-over to kill germs and allergens. The handheld unit is lightweight and easy to use with the various included nozzles. I used it to steam the wrinkles out of my curtains and to clean around the base of the toilet, and it worked flawlessly.
Number 3. BISSELL Revolution HydroSteam Pet Carpet Cleaner. Unlike the portable units, this is a full-sized, upright, dedicated carpet cleaning machine, and boy does it show. From the moment I unboxed it, it felt substantial and well-built. This machine is designed for one primary purpose: to deep clean the heck out of your carpets, especially if you have pets. And with 2 cleaning modes, Steam Pre-Treat Mode and Steam Wash Max Clean Mode, it gives you options for tackling different levels of dirt. I started with a high-traffic hallway that, despite regular vacuuming, had developed that dingy grayed look. I used the Steam Wash Max Clean Mode, and the difference was, well, it was staggering. The combination of the powerful brushes, the cleaning formula, the hot tap water, and the HydroSteam technology worked together to pull out an unbelievable amount of dirt. The water in the dirty tank was genuinely shocking. The brushes really get deep into the carpet pile to agitate and lift away grime that's been trampled in for months. What really impressed me was the drying time. It has an express clean mode that leaves carpets dry in about 30 minutes, which is a game changer if you can't have your living room out of commission for a whole day. For pet owners, this thing is a must-have. The specialized pet tools and the included Pet Pro Oxy Urine Eliminator formula are specifically designed to tackle pet stains and odors, not just cover them up.
Number 2, the Uwant portable carpet cleaner. This machine took me by surprise. It looks like a sleek, futuristic spot cleaner, but its performance is on a whole other level. It combines a high-temperature heating system with a powerful steam function, giving you a 1-2 punch against the toughest stains. The build quality feels premium, and the design is incredibly thoughtful, right down to the cord wrap and how the tools click into place. It's the little things, you know? What sets the Uwant apart is its 4 cleaning modes: steam, hot water, ironing, and a cleaning solution mode. The steam mode, reaching up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, is phenomenal for dissolving greasy, oily stains. I tested it on a nasty olive oil spill on a light beige rug, and it practically melted the stain away before the powerful suction pulled it all up. The suction is seriously strong for a portable unit, which means it pulls more of the dirty water out of the carpet, leading to faster drying times and a cleaner result. There's no leftover soapy residue, just clean, soft carpet fibers. But the feature I absolutely fell in love with is the patented self-cleaning function. This is brilliant. After you're done cleaning a mess, you just press a button and the machine flushes the hose and brush head with clean water, so you don't have to worry about mildew, odors, or leftover gunk. It's a simple feature that makes the entire user experience so much better. Likzest Steam Cleaner. Now this might seem like a surprising choice because, like the STEAMBOT, it's a canister-style multi-purpose cleaner, but let me tell you, this thing is in a league of its own when it comes to raw, focused steam blasting power. While others try to be a jack of all trades, the Likzest focuses on being a master of one, generating incredibly hot, high-pressure steam that obliterates grime. It heats up in a couple of minutes and produces continuous steam at 3.5 bar pressure, which is a significant amount of force. This isn't about scrubbing with a solution. It's about using the sheer thermal power of steam to break the molecular bonds of a stain. I took it to an old, mysterious stain on a thick pile carpet that nothing else had touched. I blasted it with the focus jet nozzle, and you could literally see the stain start to break apart and lift from the fibers. I followed up with blotting with a clean microfiber towel, and the stain was gone. Completely. It was one of the most satisfying cleaning moments of my life. Because it uses only water, there are no chemicals or residues left behind, which is perfect for homes with kids, pets, or people with allergies. The build quality is rock solid, and it comes with a comprehensive set of high-quality brass and nylon brushes that feel like they'll last a lifetime. The large 1.5-liter tank gives you about 45 minutes of continuous cleaning time, so you can tackle big jobs without constant refills. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.